2. Our letter in this video is the letter Ta. The letter Ta has a counterpart in English, and it is the letter T for tree. Writing this letter, it's very much the same as the letter B, how it comes at the beginning and in the middle of a word, and then finally at the end of the word. Dots on the top, which is unlike the letter B, which has one dot underneath. So if you would recognize this letter, it has 2 dots on the top. The way Ta connects to other letters and the way we write it, it is very much like the letter Ba. But what it changes here is we've got only that the letter Ta has 2 dots. Note also that these 2 dots on the top may become a line in handwriting, as we see in isolated, and I'm highlighting with a green color. That two dots can connect and become one line. And if we see below, that's the shape of the letter Ta written at the beginning of a word, and that is the shape of the Ta written in the middle of a word, and then finally that's the shape of the letter Ta written at the end of a word. Let's try, and if you could practice with me writing this back again. So imagine this is the line, and if you rewrite it back again, then if you write 2 dots, then the letter Ta in the middle, stay on the line with 2 dots on the top, and then finally the same letter with 2 dots on the top. Here are some of the words that we can read with this basic knowledge, such as the at dot in email. So you'd write in Arabic at, bat. Or a song, I remember, it was called Bata. Bata. Bata, bata. Or the sign or the name for tab in your computer. Tab. Now let's see a couple of examples using the letter Ta and how it's pronounced with long vowels and short vowels. To remember that in Arabic we've got 3 long vowels, A, U, and E. These are 3 long vowels, A, U, and E. So it's pronounced Ta, tab, tab, tab. And the same word, Ta. Another example, tu, toot, toot, tu, toot, toot, which means blueberries in Arabic. And then if we practice the final letter, Ba, Bai, Bait. And that's the shape of the letter T written at the end of it. Another example, E, Ya, Yasmin. Ya, Yasmin. If you have a look at another word, Ta, with 2 dots on the top, and E, 2 dots underneath, and Nun. And you'd read it ta, E, in, teen, figs, teen, teen. Now let's see how the combination of the letter T is pronounced with long vowels and short vowels. So if you have the letter ta, ta, ta. Ta with the long vowel R would pronounce ta, and ta with the long vowel U, tu, and ta with the long vowel E you'd pronounce it T, and ta with a short vowel R, which is a diagonal dash, you'd pronounce it ta, ta, which is shorter, and T with a short vowel O you would pronounce it tu, tu, and T with a short vowel E, which is the opposite of short vowel R, as it's written at the bottom of the letter, which is pronounced T, T.